who is the speaker about archaeological and water situation of Babylon site in Iraq. Sabah was in 1979 in Babylon together with a colleague and made explorations on a number of points in the whole city area. And he has also been working with a lot of other geological projects in Iraq, doing geological surveys all over the different provinces in Iraq. And he has, in addition to the Babylon survey, also made surveys in the marsh areas in southern Iraq. I think this is enough as an introduction, and we thank you very much for coming here, and we are looking forward to this interesting material. Only a very, very short summary article was published in 1979 in Super, but the name of the author was not correct, so no one could imagine that behind this article was that man. But now you will see him in reality and hear what he can tell us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a great pleasure for me to participate in one new part in your activities concerning the scientific and archaeological research. This study was prepared for the purpose of finding the possibilities to lower the underground water table to a depth lower than the oldest archaeological horizon, which was expected to be 14 to 16 meters below present surface. Geological investigation and data processing. A surface geological survey was carried out in 1979 using a topographic base map of scale 1 to 10,000. A total of 97 dense hand and auger holes with a distance of 50 to 200 meters between each two holes were excavated to the depths between 1.5 to 3 meters below surface. Core drilling was set to determine the vertical and horizontal changes in the recent sediments, their types and composition, and also to find out whether there are any archaeological materials and their depths. The depth of the 10 core boreholes varied between 11 up to 45 meters, depending on the lithology and the depth of the archaeological remains. A laboratory study for selected soil samples to be studied petrographically for the purpose of delineating the quaternary, pre-quaternary content. Here is the topographic map with locations of boreholes and pits for Babylon archaeological site. This series of numbers and dots represent the pits and their numbers, and here is the green dots represent the location and number of the boreholes. Office processing for the collected data started with preparing a combined topographic map for the studied site using a digital elevation model (DEM) with 90 meter, followed by converting it to a database file using global mapper table. Then topographic contour line using ArcMap 9.3 with spatial analysis tools. The Google Earth image was used as a base to the topographic map. The borehole logs prepared by using ArcMap 9.3. 3 lithological cross sections are created using Rockwork 15 program.